Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 16th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we are on the daily time frame. So, the daily time frame, we're all the way back down to the lower wave 4, and it has not broken structure, but I think it's pretty clear that this whole move up is probably over, and that this first wave down is very likely just the first wave of a correction, like the first wave of a wave A, B, C, or possibly it's even a first wave of a new downtrend like a wave one. Definitely no reason to think that this is over, and most wave A's and wave ones do take out the low wave four before they turn up for a wave B or a wave two. But I definitely don't see any reason to think that the wave B or wave two has started yet. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. So if price goes up here and breaks structure, that probably means that the wave three of A or the wave three of one is over, but it doesn't even have to do that. So that's why I have my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move down. If we zoom in a little bit, because if price is going to continue to trend, then this move up is very likely just a pullback to this last wave down, just like this was just a pullback to this, and this was just a pullback to this, and this was just a pullback to this. So if the market does go up to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, makes a nice engulfing move to the downside, nice reversal, especially if it's like a three-way pullback. I definitely would continue to look for shorts as long as it doesn't break this high right here. Definitely still trading with the daily and weekly time frame movement to the downside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.